Merenberg y Flake Quintet in the Hot Colombian. Massif in the south of Colombian department of Vila. Merenberg y Lake Quintet in the Hot Colombian. Massif in the south west of Colombian department of Vila. In Suelti in the municipality of La Plata can considered part of Paris in tourist heritage. Means transportation, it can be accessed by any type of transport, the traditional chivas and preventive use. Activities to do. It has trails where you can walk and observing sacred bird from the earner and in posting waterfall called La Candelaria with a depth more than 100 meters. Commemorative status and in enjoying the outdoors in the Kaibab. Who must wear work clothes, the temperature reaches 10 degrees. Places to stay. The forest reserve has very camp, caravans and old camping service for those like to see the star in the forest. Typical food. There are many typical dishes, the house specialties, the traditional whole chicken sancocho, dishes with panela, boiler that they produce in the same recipe with the bird.